In this video, we're going to look at 3 exercises to help you decrease your low back pain. By doing them daily, it'll strengthen weaker muscles and stretch tight ones. Hey, make sure you stick around till the end where I show you my 2 favorite self-care tools that you should have in your home gym. Hey, I'm Lisa with the Ultimate Fit Club, where we help you move better, live better, and feel better. Hey, if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post new workouts to the channel. And all of the products that I'll mention in this video will be in the description box below for you to click if you need them. All you need is the mat for this workout, so let's get started. Come all the way down onto your back for the shoulder bridge. Plant your feet, push them into the mat, and make sure your heels are just away from your butt. They're not really close. Hands are down, and you want a neutral pelvis. Now, how do you tell if it's neutral? Is if your bowl of milk, if there's a bowl here, and it's tipped forward, I can get all of my hand under here. We don't want that. We want it just neutral, so then I can just get 3 or 4 fingers underneath here. That's where we want it. Your hands are long onto the mat. Push your feet into the mat, and now inhale, press your hips up, and lower all the way back down. Again, inhale, press up, lower down, press the feet down as you inhale up. Now this time I want you to lower your sternum down, your belly button, finally your tailbone. Get your spine to roll. Inhale it up, roll it back down. Now a lot of times back pain is caused by tight muscles in your hamstrings, your glutes, and your spine being stuck together. They don't have much motion in the vertebra. By doing these, it'll help your spine move, strengthen your glutes and your hamstrings. Last one, bring it up, hold it here. Take a moment, push your feet down, and just pause. Now you want a straight line from your hip to your knee. You don't want any sags in your pants. Use your glutes to stay here. Roll all the way down, sternum, belly button, tail, and the knee fold. These are also great for low back pain because once again, it's low impact and your spine is still. Bring one knee up, level with your hip. Lower. Now make sure your pelvis isn't moving when you're doing this exercise. If it is, just put your hands here so you can get that feedback. So if your pelvis is moving, suck in your gut, so to speak, to keep that from moving. One more time. And now to make it a little harder, let's pass in the middle and change. Once again, pelvis still, head still, arms are pressing down. Low back pain is never fun, but you want safe, effective exercises to do to strengthen your core and your trunk muscles. One more, and lower all the way down. Our third exercise to help you is the clamshell. So turn on your side and face me. Now, you can either have your arm out or you can have your arm up by your ear. So if you have neck issues, I would suggest having it all the way down. I'm going to leave it right here. Bring your knees up towards your chest. Stack your knees, stack your ankles. Bring them up as high as you can comfortably get them. Find something stationary to look at. Glue your ankles together, open your knee, and close. The reason we train muscles around the hips is because, once again, they're connected to your spine and your core. And the stronger you can get the surrounding muscles, the less back pain you're going to have. It's all about strength training. I know a lot of people love doing cardio, but you have to do some strength training to keep your muscles strong. One more, and lower. Now, if you want a challenge and that was too easy, elevated clam. Open and close your knees. Now, in all of my workouts, I always give you exercises and modifications to help you. Two more. And lower all the way down. All right, let's get the other side in. Roll all the way up and switch your sides. Now, if you have back pain, make sure you roll onto your hip first. You don't want to just pop up. That'll be too much of a startle on your spine. Stack up your knees. Place your hand wherever you need it with your arms straight behind your head, and then open and close. These are great, safe, low-impact activities for your hip because low back pain, you want to do whatever you can to get out of it so you feel better the next day. Maybe you just woke up and like, my back is killing me. Give these a shot. One more, elevated clam. Lift your ankles, open and close. Let's just do a couple more. These are exercises I give to all of my clients at my massage office that come in with low back pain. One more, and lower, because you don't need any equipment. And come on up, roll to your hip, and sit up. Now, I promised you that if you stuck around, I'd show you my two favorite tools that I love to use in my office. They're called rock tape balls. One of them's a little spiky. Now it's very firm. And the other one is like a lacrosse ball. It's where it's very firm as well. These are very versatile tools to have in your toolbox, and you can get them on Amazon. You can use them to roll out your thighs, your calves if that's bothering you, or you can put it behind your shoulder blade. I really like this one for behind the shoulder blade. Now, if you want to learn how to use them, I'll link up that video and you can go ahead and watch that. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.